Good evening, welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for May 24th to June 5th. For the period May 24th to 28th, this is what we're expecting the pattern to look like. We're still forecasting a split here, a split flow across western North America. We have a ridge over Alaska, western Canada, and we have a trough in the southwest. And this is the GFS still showing a trough into the Mid Atlantic and Northeast. But I think this is the outlier because as we go through time, I'm going to go put them in motion if we have it here, and we seem like we don't. You can see the other models. This is the European deterministics. This is what the model more like will look like, where we have a ridge in the east, still a zonal flow, a, a split flow, but with a zonal flow across the eastern U.S. And see, all the other models are showing this. Now, also the remnants of Typhoon Dolphin makes up for a western portion of the strong block that's over western North America. The southern edges of the block extend into the southern U.S. and should slowly weaken through the period as Bermuda High builds across southeast, and the upper trough in the southwest lifts out in response to falling heights spreading across the eastern Pacific as we see a trough here moving over into the southwest and other below normal heights just east of Hawaii. During this period, we expect above normal precipitation for the plains of the Mississippi Valley. Most of the models forecast above normal temperatures for the northwest, southeast, and below normal temperatures are forecast for the southwest and the northeast. Now we're going to look at the period for May 27th to the 31st. Here we are on the 29th. Still, the GFS still indicating somewhat of a split flow, but as we go through the end of the period, the split flow is almost gone. You'll see evidence of it right in here. Still have our ridge configuration, and we have our trough near the Aleutians. And we go through the other models. There's still evidence of a weak blocking, but that is forecast to slowly weaken. During this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this area, and above normal temperatures here. For the temperature anomalies, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the southern plains to the Mississippi Valley. For the west coast, the Great Basin, and the northern Rockies, eastern Gulf Coast states, with anomalies of 10 to 20 degrees are forecast, and below normal temperatures are forecast for the southwest and the southern plains, with anomalies, as we can see on this one, of about up to 20 degrees below normal. During this forecast period, for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for this area here. Now we're going to look at the period for June 1st to the 5th. Here we are in the 2nd, and the models gradually break down this the blocking across western North America. We still have our ridge with a zone of flow, almost a southwest flow across the U.S. So we're going to go to the 4th, and you can see now here's the the GFS ensembles are forecasting above normal temperature zone of flow across much of the nation. And then we look at the other models, the deterministics, and then we have the Canadian showing above normal heights, near to above normal heights across much of the nation with a zonal flow. Now, what backs this up is this is the Canadian ensembles, and it's also showing about near to above normal temperatures, especially down here. But it's also indicating a little bit of below normal temperatures in the southern plains. And also the GFS also kind of shows this too. This is a GEFS. Look, above normal temperatures across much of the nation. Little area maybe possibly below normal to above, possibly near to a little bit above below normal here. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, and we're forecasting anomalies of 15 to 25 degrees. That's pretty wide range because you see we have 15 here, up much as 25 degrees in the southwest or into the Great Basin, 25 degrees above normal here across the Gulf Coast states, and 15 degrees across the Northeast. So that's why it's such a wide range in the temperatures. For precipitation, I am forecasting above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for May 24th through June 5th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.